Introducing the 2022 Honda Accord. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Prepare to be amazed by the Accord. This midsize sedan offers state-of-the-art safety and connectivity technology, a quiet, comfortable ride, elegant styling, a spacious interior, and powerful performance. It's simply perfect. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. It's time you treated yourself to the best. This Honda Accord is waiting. Come in and drive it today.